Let us look at the sentences we learnt in this lesson. Use this table to make a few sentences.
I would like to tell you about my storybook. I want to show you about my drawings. Uh-oh!
Try again, Ruchi.
I want to show you my drawings.
I want to show you my storybook.
I want to tell you about my collection of seeds.
I would like to show you my dog.
Children, use this table to make more sentences. You can also change the words in the last column and make more sentences.